Hi, we are students of the Technological University of Querétaro studying the subject of negotiation, where we will share an example about negotiation within a labor file to offer maintenance service to a company negotiating different conditions to perform such maintenance. We work in a company that is dedicated to the rehabilitation of injector machinery. Its main branch is micro enterprises. We are still starting with our company. When getting a client that needs to rehabilitate a German demand machine, the client does not intend to provide the kind of financial support because he is not very sure that you can repair that machine. But if you repair the machine, the client gives you probably 200,000 pieces in cash. So the client he will give satisfying for your job, and the you need negotiation with the micro entrepreneur for both parties do not see problems and conclude the project successful.
To have a good negotiation, you have to follow the next steps. And first is define goals and objectives. 2, clarify the issues. 3, gather information. 4, humanize and set the climate. 5, prepare for conflict. 6, resolution of the issues, negotiation, success. And 7, agreements and confirmation. And you have a good negotiation if you follow these steps. Well, first, to negotiate correctly, we must set the goals and objectives with this negotiation. What I want from this negotiation is to be able to publicize the qualities of the company. And for this, the client will be considering the experience and knowledge of the company applied to the maintenance of the required machinery.
A deadline is established in which maintenance will be made. Payment will be received at the end of the work, which in this case, 2 weeks. Once of the clients accept the job, in order to get we will need to use the gift gap model. Each part is clarify the issues.
And the claim is not convinced of our work, experience, and knowledge. We need to give a plus to end of the work. We need tools, engineer, raw material. The initial invest will be made by us, and if customer is satisfied, we will receive to payment of 200,000 of pesos.
After it, we need to identify what are the causes of the issues. Initially, we will need to verify the problems in order to import our client. Once they have them, let to them know some of our past works, providing a quality test of some of the service, and based on the result, the amount will be paid as we agreed. Otherwise, the client will not have the pay anything, because we will not complete the agreement and the terms. This based on the collection of the information.
We have to present evidence about other works that we have in the past to make him trust and create a good image of the company, To establish a win-win climate, we need active participation by both parties. They should explain what they want and the terms that they are going to agree with the other party. On this negotiation, the major point to be a conflict may be the lack of trust that the other party don't give for us. And if the conflict occurs, we will deal to expose the arguments to convince the customer that we are a good option for the solution for their company. And we can determine the problem to the other party and determine what they need. If we can provide a solution to resolve the problem.
If we offer another types of proposals and we are willing to cooperate with our client, it is possible to reach a solution by offering added value such as discounts or proof of service.
For this, we will create a formal agreement with another party. In this agreement, we will describe all the points to be treated, the needs to be covered, and the time of their execution, trying to cover all the possible failures of the repair, giving a guarantee time.
When you finally the process of the good negotiation, you check if you follow these steps. If you check it out, are you have a good negotiation.